Disney World Cooking Show, episode 3. And today we're making Trenette Al Pesto from Luca. I'm so excited to make the pasta. Okay, so apparently the director released the step-by-step illustrated instructions. Trenette apparently is some sort of weird pasta. So instead of fettuccine, we went the linguine. Since I have a 3-year-old, so it'll be easier for her to eat. First step, you have to mash up basil. Well, guess what? Wegmans was out of basil. I stopped by Target today. No basil, so I only have what I only have. That's called a green bean. Are you ready to start mashing? Ready? We're gonna start with this. Can you grind it? Like this, move it around, grind. So that's all the basil I have. If it's not enough, Landon, you can't eat it. We don't have much basil. We need it for the pasta. I actually have some pesto in a jar. I might add that if it's not enough. Okay. Put the basil and the garlic in it. You cannot eat the basil, baby. We need it for the pasta. It's essential, okay? 2 cloves of garlic. This is a lot of garlic. Landon, you cannot eat the basil, baby. Okay, can you smash up this garlic with it? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Get it, girl.
I'll eat this.
You can eat some cheese. You cannot eat the basil.
Yum, yum.
Never made pesto like this. I'm kind of excited. I made it in a food processor, but many years ago, we were supposed to move to the Bahamas and we sold everything we owned. And getting a food processor, again, was not high on our list apparently because we never got one. So Mommy and Daddy went to this place called the Cinque Terre. And it's 5 towns right on the Italian coast near France. And we loved it. And the little town in Luca looks just like those towns. It looks just like Vernazza, I think that's what it's called. And that's actually where we sprinkled some of my mom's ashes because she always wanted to go to Italy and she didn't get the chance to go. So, wow, this basil really gets down to nothing. Oh my gosh, that smells so good.
Mom, smash up it.
You want to try to smash it?
Yeah. Smash.
Okay, now we need to add 4 tablespoons. This is Pecorino, Romano, and Parmigiano blend. Can you scoop this? Ready, like that? Like this. Okay, can you put that in there? Excellent work. Oh, tap. Oh, yeah. Are you scooping it into your mouth? Look at this. Oh, yeah.
What is that?
This is called a pesto. Mamma mia, ciao, baby, ciao. Woo! My shoulder is sore. Lana, you gotta stop with the cheese. How much cheese have you had? Here is what our creamy pesto looks like.
You want some more of the potatoes?
Oh, I feel like they were so delicious.
gosh, it's good with the potatoes. I wasn't sure. too hot.
No, it's cool. Take a bite. Want to try it? What do you think?
Mm-hmm.
You want a bowl?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Say thank you for watching.
There's nothing.
Well, there's a whole pile of crap. We will see you on the next one.